In this comprehensive tutorial, I will guide you through the seamless installation of desktop applications that are not readily available in the Microsoft Store, while I have successfully executed this process on Windows 11. Please note that its compatibility with older Windows versions may vary. Before delving into the steps, I kindly request your support by hitting the subscribe and thumbs up buttons. To show your appreciation, let's get started on enhancing your desktop experience. First, open Microsoft Edge. Search the application you want to install. Click the three dots. Create desktop shortcut. Now application already saved on your desktop.